A very good morning to all the dear children and welcome to Online Teaching Learning Program 2020-2021. In the last session, we discussed workbook question and answers of Revati's Musical Plans Unit 1.4. We discussed till question number 3b. In today's session, we shall begin with question number 3c. Before we proceed, I request you all to be ready with your English workbook and your English textbook. I hope you all are ready. So let us begin with workbook exercise from question number 3c, topic Revati's Musical Plans from Unit 1.4. Question number 3c, read the following passage and complete the activities. You will find this passage on page number 18 of your English textbook. So dear children, please turn to page number 18 and let us read the passage aloud. Let us begin. That evening, all her friends were going to the prize distribution ceremony. She did not want to attend, but her friends forced her to. After reaching the place, she went to the benches where the potted plants were displayed. Revati was shocked. There was her pot of plants on a bench with the name of a distant neighbor of hers as the competitor written on a small piece of cardboard and placed in the soil. She knew it was her pot of plants. She went to the organizers of the show and told them about it. The organizers were not convinced. They said, "How can you prove that the plants are yours? The lady who submitted them is a regular participant. How can we doubt her?" Revati wondered how to convince them. She sat there for a few minutes looking at the plants. The sight of the plants bending towards her while she played her violin flashed across her mind. She told the organizers that she could prove that plants were hers. She ran home. When she returned a few minutes later with a violin in, they started laughing. But their ridicule did not deter her from her mission. She told them, "I know my plants and I share a secret with them. My plants are music lovers like me and you could see how they respond when I play to them." They all laughed louder, saying that they had never heard of plants enjoying music. They asked her, "Do plants have ears like us to enjoy your music?" No one believed her. Now let us look at the questions related to the extract. Question number 1. Complete the following sentences with the words from the passage. This is an assignment for you all. So there are 3 sentences given, and in every sentence you will find one word is missing, which you need to find out from the passage. I'll read out the question. First, Revati's friends dash her to attend the prize distribution ceremony. So there's a word missing here which you need to find out from the passage and then complete the sentence. B. The lady who dash the pot of plants was a regular participant. C. Revati dash how to convince the organizers. I hope this question is clear to you all. Let us move to question number 2. What shock did Revati receive on the prize distribution day? Answer. Revati was shocked because on a bench was her pot of plants with the name of a distant neighbor. And that's the reason why she was shocked. Right? Next. Third one. Why was it difficult to convince the organizers? Answer. Because the lady who submitted them was a regular participant, so the organizers could not doubt her. And this is the reason why it was very difficult for Revati to convince the organizers. I hope you all have written down the answers. Let us proceed further. Question 5. Why did the organizers laugh at Revati? Answer. The organizers laughed at Revati because she said that my plants are music lovers. So this statement was said by Revati, and hence the organizers could not believe her, and so they started laughing at her. Question 6. How did Revati plan to convince the organizers that the plants were hers? Answer. Revati planned to convince the organizers by demonstrating how her plants responded to music when she played her favorite tune. Next, 7th. Why did the organizers refuse to believe that Revati's plants were hers? Answer. The organizers refused to believe that Revati's plants were music lovers, as they had never heard of plants enjoying music. They believed that the plants did not have ears like them to enjoy music. 8th. Have you been in a similar situation as Revati? Elaborate your answer. So this has to be a personal response. You have to give your personal response, like, have you ever been in a similar situation as Revati where you had to convince someone to show the ownership of something that belonged to you but which was claimed by other person? So you have to write your personal response here. I hope you all have finished writing down the answers. Let us proceed further. Question number 8A, match the meanings. This is an assignment for you all. So column A has the words and column B you will find it the meanings of those words. So you need to match which meaning goes with which word. Column A, I'll read out the questions, the words. First, to ridicule. Second, to deter. Third, to convince. Column B, meanings. A, to discourage. B, to persuade into believing. C, to make fun of. D, to be discouraged. I hope you all have matched the words with its correct meaning. Let us proceed further. So our next question is identify the collocation from the extract. Before we move on to the question, let us first understand what do you mean by collocation? What are collocations? So, collocation means some words fit together and some or other words they don't. Now, we'll look at the examples to understand the meaning of collocation perfectly. So here we have some examples. Okay, look at the first picture. What it is? Yes, fast food. Do we say quick food? Though they mean the same, fast and quick, it means the same, but still we say it correctly by using the word fast. Yes, when it comes to food. So quick food doesn't fit in well. Next, we say it as powerful engine. We cannot say it's a strong engine, right? So strong engine, they don't get well with each other. This word strong doesn't get well adjusted with the word engine. Rather, powerful engine sounds good in the sentence. Next picture, if you observe, you will find that there's traffic on the road. So we say it as heavy traffic, rather than saying it as hard traffic, or you can say terrible traffic or bad traffic. So hard traffic, these two words, they don't get well with each other, whereas heavy traffic fits well together in a sentence. So collocations are basically, they are the words that naturally go together in English. As you saw with the help of the examples, that some words they fit together, whereas other words they don't fit well, right? Now let us move to the question. B. Pick out a pair of collocations from the passage. So the answer is, we have one collocation here, price distribution. We cannot say it as award distribution or medal distribution. Price distribution, this word fits well, price word fits well, so it is a collocation. Pick out an interrogative sentence from the passage. An interrogative sentence asks a question and always ends with a question mark. So the answer is, how can we doubt her? Yes, this is an interrogative sentence which ends with a question mark. Let us proceed further. Question number 3D. Read the following passage and complete the activities. She felt very dejected, but was determined to win her plants back. She sat near her plants with a violin and slowly started playing her favorite raga. Engrossed in her music, Revati even forget her plants for a time, but the others could not. With wonder in their eyes, they watched the plants. Straight at first, they bent slightly as she played on and on. Their stems bent towards Revati as though they wanted to touch her in their happiness. The organizers were stunned. They had watched a new phenomenon of plants responding to music, and Revati had become a great discoverer. They all applauded her and said they were convinced that the plants were hers. They pulled her neighbor up for cheating them, and she accepted after a long argument that she had stolen Revati's plants. She said while walking past Revati's house, she had spotted the plants and had removed the pot in the night to her house and submitted it later for the contest. As she was a regular participant, no one doubted her. The authorities decided that Revati's plants deserved the first prize as they were the best looking and healthy. Revati carried home the prize proudly with a pot of plants. Let us now look at the workbook exercise and questions related to the extract. Question number 1. Complete the web diagram with action words from the passage. In the workbook, if you see the web diagram has not been given. So what you all do is just find out the action words from the passage. You know what are the action words? They are the verbs, right? So find out the verbs from the passage. Write down any 5 action words from the passage. Question number 1. Is clear, I guess. Now let us move to question number 2. What did Revati do to prove her ownership of the plants? Answer. By demonstrating that her plants respond to her favorite tune, Revati proved the organizers that the plants truly belong to her. Next, question number 3. Pick out the line to prove that. So we need to search out for a line that proves the following statements. We need to search out from the extract itself. A. Revati was disappointed but determined. So the line, she felt very dejected but she was determined to win her plants back. This line proves the above statement. B. The people around were astonished and amazed. Answer. The organizers were stunned. This line proves the above statement. The people around were astonished and amazed. Fourth, how did the plants react when Revati played her violin? Answer. As Revati played her violin, the stems of plants bent towards Revati as though they wanted to touch her in their happiness. I hope you all have finished writing the answers. Let us proceed further. Question number 5. Which phenomenon did the people present see? Answer. The people present there watched a new phenomena of plants responding to music. 6th. Why had no one suspected that the neighbor had stolen the plants? Answer. As the neighbor was a regular participant, no one suspected that the neighbor had stolen the plants. What is the happy end? The happy end is that not only did Revati succeed in convincing the organizers that the plants belonged to her, she also won the first prize in the competition. Question 8. They all applauded her. Pick out the wrong word and rewrite with the correct word. So, which one is the wrong word here? Wrongly spelled out word. Which one is that? Yes, it is applauded. Instead of that, we need to write the correct word, that is applauded. They all applauded her. Applauded means to praise someone by clapping. Question 9. Give one word for. First one is an occurrence or a wonder. It is called as phenomenon. And the second one, which we did currently, show praise by clapping. That means applaud. I hope you all must have completed writing the answers. Let us proceed further. Question number 9b, make sentences. So the first one is to pull up. So using the phrase to pull up, you need to frame a sentence. To pull up means to tell someone that they have done something wrong. And the second one is to be dejected. To be dejected means to feel unhappy or to feel disappointed. So making use of these two phrases, you need to make sentences. This is an assignment for you all. Question number 10. As she was a regular participant, no one doubted her. So pick out the clause and state its kind. So as she was a regular participant, this is an adverb clause. Now we will be dealing with clauses in a separate video. Then the concept will be more clearer to you all. 11th, truth alone triumphs. Triumphs means a great victory or an achievement. So do you think that when you favor truth or when you speak truth, you always get victory in what you do, or you always get success in what you do? So you need to write your own views. This is your personal response. I hope you all have completed and covered up all the questions that we have discussed in today's session. In the next session, we shall be discussing the remaining part of the workbook exercise from the same topic, Revati's musical plants. Thank you.